Here's how to add a text in Adobe Premiere Pro, very simple and less than a minute. So just simply select the type tool or press T on your keyboard. Then drag the box onto your video to write some text. And if you don't have this tool visible, you may need to go to Windows Tools and click and hold on the type tool. Then simply edit your text. You can open up the Essential Graphics panel. Just go to the Essential Graphics window and you'll be able to make the edits to your text like font changes, sizes, colors, and so on. You can also add animation to your text, which is optional. If you want to add some basic animation to your text, just use the Effect Controls panel, where you can add motion. You might use some keyframes to add a spinning effect on the title or create rolling credits. And all in all, this is a very quick and simple but fairly limited way of creating text for your video for mini films. And that's how you can basically add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. For more advanced text in Premiere Pro, you can use some templates that you can get for free on many stock videos and stock options, and in the libraries of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications